It's March 22nd, 2025, and we have some severe weather to talk about. The Storm Prediction Center has given us a slight and categorical risk over parts of Missouri, Kansas, Oklahoma, and Arkansas, with the 2% risk for tornadoes right around where all those states meet. And tomorrow we have a much larger categorical slight and marginal risk that does encompass much of the deep south and even pushes up into the Tennessee and Ohio Valley. And with this, we are looking at a 2 to 5% chance for tornadoes, and that is through states like Texas, Arkansas, Louisiana, Mississippi, Alabama, Tennessee, and Kentucky. And this severe weather does look to impact portions of the Gulf as we get into Monday. This does look like an evening tornado event tonight. Although if I'm being honest, we're not seeing any sort of crazy SIGTOR parameters. This doesn't mean they're not possible. If you're in this area, you need to stay weather alert. I only tell you this because I don't want people to overreact. We actually have seen a downtrend in today's severe weather event and tomorrow's severe weather event, which is a good thing. Every now and then, though, you do get some severe weather that's a little more intense than forecast, so it is best to stay weather alert. You can see as we get into the evening hours, closer to 8 or 9 p.m., give or take an hour, we have a bunch of storms firing up where Kansas, Missouri, Arkansas, and Oklahoma meet. Even if we don't see any tornadoes produced by this, which I hope we don't, strong winds and maybe even some hail will likely be associated with some of these thunderstorms. Now, as we get into tomorrow morning and then through the afternoon, we will see some more thunderstorms firing up down here in the south near the Gulf, and then again up through portions of the deep south and Tennessee Valley region. I would say this is slightly more concerning, especially as we get into Sunday late evening, where we will have a chance for some QLCS tornadoes really all up and down this boundary here, but especially through portions of northern Louisiana and central Mississippi. So again, have your weather alerts on. This is nothing to be overly concerned about, but it's best to have a plan and be prepared if you're in this region. I'm hopeful we continue to see a downtrending of this tomorrow as well. And then again, as we get into Monday, we could see some strong thunderstorms moving into portions of the Gulf region, from southern Louisiana really all the way out through the Florida Panhandle. This also is not expected to be overly severe, which is good, but we'll keep our eye on it. If I'm being honest, there is not much going on weather-wise across the country right now, although we do expect that to change as we push into the last few days of March and early April, where we currently have some global model agreement of some strong storm systems making their way from the Central Plains out towards the east, like we saw earlier in March. So although the weather's a little slow right now, enjoy it because it's going to pick up, I can promise you that. All right, I appreciate you guys watching this video. If you like this type of content, feel free to throw me a follow or sub. I make posts like this every single day and I stream every single night. I'll see you in the next video.